Good morning, students. Welcome to your social class again. Yesterday, we started a new topic, life in the desert. And we have discussed about the types of deserts, which are hot deserts and cold deserts. Yesterday, we have completed about hot desert. The example which is given in the textbook is the Sahara Desert. Today, we are going to discuss about a cold desert, that is Ladakh, which is in India. Now we'll discuss about the climate, natural vegetation and the life of the people in Ladakh. Ladakh is a word derived from Tibetan La Dwag, which means land of passes. Ladakh is located in the state of Jammu and Kashmir, and the altitude lies between 3000 to 5000 meters. The name La Dwag means land of passes. Why it has got that name? Because the region has several passes like Joji La being. This is a pass in that particular region. Here we can find several saltwater lakes and also glaciers. Saltwater lakes like Pangong, Zo and Sokar, and also glaciers like Siachen and Nubra. This is map showing the location of Ladakh. As I told you, it is located in Jammu and Kashmir. And this picture shows it is ringed by mountains. Ladakh is one of the highest deserts in the world. Much of its barren expanse littered with rocks and boulders. Let us know about the climate of Ladakh. Ladakh has long freezing winters that last from November to March. The annual precipitation, including snow and rain, is little more than 10 centimeters. Blizzards, snowstorms, and avalanches are common. Ladakh lies on the leeward side of the Himalayas, thus, it is completely depleted. The region is a desert region. Now, let us see the natural vegetation. As a result of aridity, that means dry climate, and the lack of fertile soil, and the long winters, because every time there will be snow, which allow very short growing seasons. Most of the Ladakh consists of bare, windswept expanses of land, like this. Patches of trees, grasses, and shrubs grow in the river valleys and near springs. Willows and poplar trees are found in the valleys. You can see the picture here, patches of coniferous trees and shrubs in the Indus Valley near Leh, an oasis in the midst of the desert. Leh is an oasis. Now, let us look at the pictures. Some of the animals found in this region include snow leopard, red fox, Asiatic ibex, and chiru. This is chiru. This one. It is also called as Tibetan antelope. You can also find brown-headed gull, black-necked crane. These are ravens, these black crow-like things. These are ravens and robins. And some of the birds are found here. Agriculture, horticulture, sericulture, cattle rearing, handicrafts, and tourism are the major economic activities practiced by the people. Sheep, Eggs and goats are reared for milk, meat, and hide. Eggs milk is used to make cheese and butter. People cultivate wheat, barley, potato, peas, beans, and turnip mostly during the summer months. Fruits like apple, apricot, and walnuts are grown during the summer. The land is irrigated with the help of wells or by channeling water from the ice and snow of the mountains. Routes, the Gompas, glaciers, and the beautiful landscape attract tourists from all over the world. The people of Ladakh have adapted to the harsh environment in various ways. For example, to deal with the severe scarcity of water, Ladakhis use dry toilets and then turn the excreta into rich organic manure. They also grow crops like barley that use little water. You can see in the picture tourists enjoying traditional gurgur tree and freshly baked bread in a house in Ladakh. And the second picture, a group of Ladakhi people in their traditional clothing. Clothes are usually made of wool, fur, or animal skin. Tall hats and caps are also worn for warmth. You can see in that second picture. You can see in the third picture a shepherd herding a flock of sheep. See? Soft wool from which the luxurious pashmina cloth is woven. People here also are adapted to the environment. Butter is used abundantly as it helps to keep the body warm in the cold climate. Tea made from egg butter is drunk at frequent intervals. So, this is about Ladakh, a cold desert. Now, let us just summarize what we have learnt in this lesson. And 25 centimeters of precipitation and have extreme climates. There are two kinds of deserts. As I told you, they are hot and cold deserts. Desert plants have various adaptations that help them survive the harsh desert climates. Deserts are thinly populated because of the extreme climatic conditions. Nomadic communities like the Bedouin and the Tuareg live in the Sahara Desert. They practice herding. The main occupation of the people of Ladakh include agriculture, sericulture, cattle rearing, and handicrafts. Tourism is an important activity in the region. People living in the desert regions adapt to the severe conditions in different ways. So, this is about the life in deserts. Hope you understand well. Thank you, children.